Alright, so we have another AI model called Seedream 3.0. So this is an AI image generator that was created by ByteDance, which is the same company behind TikTok. And honestly, this company has been quite prolific lately. They are releasing models after models, and a lot of them are open source and they are really great. So I have seen some examples that was created by Seedream 3.0, and I would say they do look amazing, and in some cases maybe even better than the GPT-4o image generation. And you can actually see the leaderboard right now on Hugging Face, and the ranking number 1 is still occupied by GPT-4o when I'm recording this video, but the number 2 is Seedream 3.0, and you can see that score is very close. It's just 1 point away from becoming equal to GPT-4o, and it's crazy because there aren't many people talking about Seedream 3.0, given that there are so many hype on GPT-4o but not so much on Seedream 3.0. And it's actually really good in a lot of cases, like it has the capability of understanding both Chinese and English. It has faster generation. It has also superior text rendering, and overall the aesthetic is much better than GPT-4o. But honestly, it can be subjective depending on what kind of pictures that you want to generate. Now, if you want to use Seedream 3.0, right now, it's not an open source model, and as far as I know, there is only one place you can use Seedream 3.0, which is via CapCut or CapCut. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically you can navigate to Google and then type Dreamina CapCut. That's the website that ByteDance used to offer all its models, and then you can click on the website and then you can sign in using your CapCut account, or you can create a new account using email or via Google account. All right, and after that you can click image generator right here, and here you can select the generate image tab, and then you can write a prompt, and you can also insert some reference picture if there's any style or color that you want to copy. There's also a feature that lets you insert text. And here, when it comes to model, you can select image 3.0 or Seedream 3.0. And right now it is the latest model. And by the way, you don't have to be the premium user. All free users in CapCut can enjoy this new model. And also you can select the resolution to be standard or high 2K. And there are many aspect ratios to choose from. So that's the general overview about how you can create images. And now I actually have several prompts that I'm going to try to generate using Dreamina CapCut via this, using this image 3.0 model. And I'm going to show you all the prompts that I'm going to use for the testing. Honestly, this is not a real testing. I just want to try this. And honestly, I haven't tried using image 3.0, so this is going to be my first time. Okay, so this is the prompt: a redhead Chinese woman eating pasta with bare hand in a Mexican restaurant. I know that's very offensive, but that's intentional. And for the model, of course, image 3.0, standard, and aspect ratio is 1:1. And I'm going to click generate. Alright, so I'm going to skip forward when it is done. And this is the generation. Honestly, that's not what I would imagine, because I said to generate the picture of a woman eating pasta with bare hand, but she appears to be using a fork, and yeah, there is no picture that actually shows anything that resembles bare hand, so it fails. And this is actually a unique challenge because that's a scenario that almost never happens, so there is almost no training data that AI could rely on. So AI must be very creative, and that's why I like using this kind of prompt. Now I have another prompt that I'm going to use. It is also as offensive as the first prompt, and it is Italian guy slicing sushi with a knife and then fry the sushi with liquid margarine. Another guy eating fried sushi with a spoon. All right, another weird scenario, but I'm kind of curious what kind of picture that I'm going to get using that prompt. All right, it is actually very close to what I would imagine. Like, okay, there's a guy slicing the sushi, and then there's another guy eating the sushi with a spoon. And this one is also kind of similar. Yeah, I mean, it's very close to what I would imagine, and I think it get it right. And maybe the only problem was I don't see any picture that shows that the sushi is being fried using this margarine. So, or maybe I'm not very good at prompting it, but basically it's not exactly 100% perfect, but it's very close. And overall, I like the generation that was created. Now, let me go with another prompt, and let me just remove this and use this prompt. All right, so the prompt goes like this. African American man wearing a Middle-Ages European outfit eating pizza with mini croissant as the topping at Starbucks. Yep, let me just generate and let's see what we are going to get. Alright, so I would say they do look amazing. So this is not really the topping, this is actually just a croissant, not a topping. And this one, no, I'm almost. This one is very close, I believe. Okay, it took quite a while. Okay, so this is the picture. I would say it's pretty okay, but maybe the outfit is not exactly Middle Ages. So almost there, but not exactly right. But this one, I would say, is very close. There are some mini croissant on the top of the pizza, and he's definitely wearing the Middle Ages outfit. So I would say it's very close, and yeah, I would say I'm happy with the generation that was created by this model. And of course, there's this Starbucks logo, so we can believe that this guy is eating this food on Starbucks. So yeah, these are just some generations that were created by Seedream 3.0, and I would say even though it's not perfect, I'm quite satisfied with all the results. So anyway, go ahead and try this new model on dreamina.capcut.com, and I'm going to leave the link in the video description. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more AI tutorials, then subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.